So this question is quite controversial. Okay, it says 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now you should prove that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. I know that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. But if I can prove that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, I want you to like and comment on this video. Alright. So first of all, this is the assumption here that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So we can say that the LHS, or the right hand side, is equal to 4. Okay, this is a given. Alright. Now we can say that this we also are now required to prove from here is that 4 is equal to 5. Alright. Okay. Now let's start. Now, first of all, 0 is equal to 0. Alright. So 0 is equal to 0. Now, 0 is equal to 4 minus 4. Alright. And the same 0 is equal to 5 minus 5. Okay, 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, so basically no change in anything. Now, moving on from here, we can say that if you factor out 4 from this, okay, 4 divided by 4 is 1, minus 4 divided by 4 is 1. Sorry, this is 1. And this is brackets closed, okay, so that this becomes equal to 5 into 5 divided by 5 is 1, minus 5 divided by 5 is 1, okay. Remember that this is 1. Sorry, I made a mistake here. And this is my brackets. Right? So, now moving on from here, you can say that we can divide both sides by this 1 minus 1. Because 1 minus 1 is on this side, 1 minus 1 is on this side. So we can have that this is 4 into 1 minus 1. So we equal to 5 into 1 minus 1. Dividing both sides by 1 minus 1. Okay, so we can say divide both sides by 1 minus 1. Okay, now 1 minus 1 would strike out on the left hand side to be equal to 5 into 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1. Okay, now 1 minus 1 strikes 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 strikes 1 minus 1, so that this becomes that 4 is equal to 5, which goes to say that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. From the first assumption we made, we say that 2 plus 2 is 4, right? Now, this is now showing that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, alright? So what I want you to do for me is you should watch the video carefully, analyze everything I've done here, and tell me, where do you think the mistake is from? So where do you think I got it wrong? Where do you think I changed up something just to make this proof work? Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.